Thank you for choosing Grantskills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you. Hello, you're welcome back to the class, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about harvesting. So let's get on to the class immediately. Harvesting. Before harvesting, make sure to grade fish to different sizes. Grade your fishes to different sizes. Be sure not to feed them an afternoon before the day of harvest. Like you want to harvest your fish tomorrow, as tomorrow morning, only feed them in the morning today. Don't feed them afternoon or evening until tomorrow, or else the feed you feed them is gonna be waste. And secondly, they're gonna be stressed up and mortality will always occur if you do like that. But if you feed them just in the morning today and tomorrow you set them off, you won't notice any stress. There won't be any mortality. Okay. Buyers should make confirmed payment before exposing fish to their basins or kegs, as to their boils or kegs. Reasons because they may have ignorantly come with bacteria from their troughs. So make sure they make confirmed payment when after scaling your fish with your own bowels, as they confirm this is what the fishes are weighing. So make sure they make confirmed payment before you transfer the fishes from your own bowel to their own boils. Buyers should stay at least 10 meters away from pond. Scale is being calculated by the red calibration, not the black, except you know how to properly make use of the black calibrations. Better still, get a digital scale if need be. Ponds should be kept clean and disinfected, and also be kept dry immediately after harvest, same day or the day after. Pond should be kept dry after disinfecting for 1 week before restocking. Thank you very much for staying on the class, and that is it for harvesting. On the next tutorial, we're going to take another wonderful chapter. Thank you.